Have you ever uploaded a video on YouTube and you're getting a lot of impressions? Like YouTube is actually showing your videos to a lot of people, and somehow you're not getting views, like you're not getting any much views, like you're getting few views with thousands of impressions. This is exactly what might be the reason that is happening to your channel and how you can actually fix that. For those of you who don't know what is impression is the number of people in which YouTube push your videos to, like the number of people who YouTube show your videos to. And from impression is where you can get clicks for people to actually watch that video. So if YouTube show your video to 10,000 people and only 1,000 people watch, that 1,000 people convert to views. The people that clicked on your thumbnail, they convert to your views. But the people who scroll are the people that create an impression on that particular post that you made on YouTube. So that is what impression is. Under impression too, we have what we call impression click-through rate. The rate of people in which clicked your video, like they clicked your thumbnail from the recommendation YouTube gave you. Like YouTube test a video, so the number of people that click on that particular video to watch gives you your CTR, your click-through rate, which is impression click-through rate. So you can have a video of 10,000 impressions and the click-through rate is 4% or 6% or 3% or 2 or 1%. Number one reason why you're getting a lot of impression with low views is one, your thumbnail is not creating curiosity. A lot of you guys tell a lot of story on your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is not meant to tell them what they're about to learn. Your thumbnail is to grab people. Instead of making your thumbnail look like you write maybe how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you do not write that on your YouTube channel. You can use something like a surprised face and then you write get 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, or you can do get 1,000 subscribers in few hours. Then your title is now what will talk more about your video. So do not make your thumbnail look too clustered. Like when it's too clustered, people just scroll, and when it's telling the story of what they're about to learn on that particular video, they will skip and they will not watch that video. That is one of the reasons why you're getting a lot of impression. YouTube keep testing your videos with high audience and they do not click on that video because your thumbnail is not creating enough curiosity. Another reason is your title is not giving people enough reason to watch your video. Yes, when your YouTube title is too casual, like it's not giving that kind of powerful information, like that catchy, that interesting vibe information, YouTube is going to push it to people and people is not going to click on that video to watch. You should use titles that will make people want to watch that video. Like when your thumbnail has given that work of, grabbing them, let your title make them click. Yes, let your title be what will make them to click on your video. Instead of using something like how to get 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, you write something like 4,000 watch hours just got easier. Here is the method. You can see that difference in it. It creates that psychological stuff on an audience that the audience has no other choice than to click that particular video to watch. When you make your title too casual, YouTube will push it, but people will not click enough on that particular video. So do what to create and use eye-catching titles that will make people actually want to watch that video no matter what. Another problem is you are not targeting the right topic. This is one of the most important ones because even a beautiful video cannot do well if it's on a wrong topic. When a video is very nice, good quality, good editing, perfect structure, good scripts, and everything. And that particular video is a topic that people are not searching about, is the topic in your niche that people are not even doing. And when you create them, YouTube is going to give it a push. Yes, YouTube will always want to show it to people. And if the audience is not what they are looking for, they don't tap on the video and eventually YouTube do not promote the video anymore. That's why you see some of your videos get a lot of impressions but only 2 views, 3 views, because your topic itself is not what people are searching for. So instead of saying, let me create my own topic, it's nice to create your own topic, but let any topic you are trying to create be a topic that people are searching for. So if you create topic that people are not searching for, you will make a very big mistake and it will be a waste of upload on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to search what is going on your niche, search what's trending on your niche, and create videos on them and upload on your channel and see the magic that happens. Another one is a lot of people start panicking immediately they notice their video started slowly or it starts slowly, like they are not getting views in the first 24 hours. A lot of creators panic, and most of them even go as far as deleting the video and unlisting them. That is one of the bad choices you can ever make on your YouTube channel. It's understandable that in the first 24 hours you got 100 impressions, but nobody clicked. Most times, the people YouTube show your videos in the first 24 hours and 48 hours, those people are not people who are actually interested in your topic. Many of them are interested in vlogs, are interested in news and the rest of them. YouTube is trying to test and know the particular people that are going to watch that particular video. But as long as you give that video time on your platform to relax and sit on your platform, YouTube will actually finally get the audience who are actually trying to watch that particular video. So instead of panicking because that video started slowly, you got no views in the first 24 hours, do not delete them. Leave them on your page. Even though later on they don't get views, all you have to do is to leave them on that your particular channel and move over to the next upload and do well in your next upload. Make sure you learn from the mistake of the former upload and create a better upload. So do not panic on your channel anytime you notice that you're having a slow, or anytime you feel like growth is slow on your channel. Instead of panicking on that particular video that didn't do well, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube studio, go to that particular video that didn't do well, or if you have a video that did well, you can check the both of them. You don't have to only check videos that didn't do well. Go to the analytics, go to the impression, check the impression, check how many people YouTube showed that video to. Then you swipe over to impression click through rate. Know the rate of people that clicked. If your impression is low, like you notice that your impression is low and your click through rate is high, know that YouTube didn't push that video well enough. Just give the video more time, it's going to get pushed. Or if you notice that you had a lot of impression with low click through rate, know that your thumbnail or your title did a bad job. So all you have to do is to work hard on your thumbnail and your title, and your topic too is also important. So do not panic when you see a bad performance on any of your video. They are not signs that you cannot grow on YouTube. They are signs that you need to fix some things on your YouTube channel. Also check on your retention of your video, to know how long people watched your video. Yes, it's one of the most important things you should also check, because a lot of people can tap on your video and they don't even stay up to 30 seconds. It also affects the way YouTube actually share your video to a lot of people. All you have to do is to check your retention, know when viewers dropped, check your average view duration, the place where people dropped mostly on your video. So all you have to do is to learn from that particular upload that didn't do well, know how people watched, know their retention, and also do well in their retention. Try and write good scripts that will actually hook people from the beginning of the video to the actual end of the video, or half through the video is very important, because they also help you grow your watch hours as someone who is trying to navigate monetization on YouTube. So whenever a video did not do well on your channel, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube studio, check your numbers, and fix what is meant to be fixed on your next upload. That is the way you grow. So if you're a small YouTuber who is trying to grow your YouTube channel, do what to give us a subscribe, because we actually teach you how you can actually navigate monetization and how you can grow so fast on YouTube. So do what to give us a like and share this video to whoever you think is going to be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.